今天带了很多台湾的饼干要给外国同事试吃。今天的选手有这些。
Yummy. No. What's this? How to?
Oh, what is this? Ooh, this is to eat.
No, that's.
You have to eat it.
No.
Eat it.
No. What? It's pineapple cake.
How to? It's sweet.
It's really famous in Taiwan, but it's
Pineapple.
yeah.
It's sweet, but it's not very sweet. I like it.
The sweet inside.
Nice.
It's really famous. Like
Really good.
vamos.
Pico kai.
This one,
Pico kai.
like those are really famous in Taiwan.
Okay. What?
牛奶糖 and like milk, candy, and chocolate. Chocolate with peanut. If you
Wait, what? Spinach?
peanut.
Spinach.
Se manera con el pene. ¡Oh! ¡Salud! ¡Ay, tío! ¡Yo! Un trozo de diente.
Too sweet.
Too hard.
Too hard.
How do you open this? Oh my god.
So
In Taiwan, you have the best packages in the world. Don't you?
I don't know actually is this from Taiwan or from Japan.
Good.
Yeah.
Pero bueno.
Por favor.
Oh no!
Oh no, what?
Too sweet for your
This
teeth.
is gonna be sticking to my teeth for the rest of my life, isn't it? There's toffee.
Is it? Ooh, it's good. That's it. I love it.
Which one you like more?
This one.
This one.
Well, the one, I think
They
we're
have
gonna get
a similar. Really?
toffee.
This one is no, it's not coffee.
Toffee.
Oh, toffee. Oh,
With caramel, no?
it's different. A bit different.
But now it's part of my body now, right? It's gonna be from there forever.
And this is the similar one with the one you like, but it's different brand. But I prefer this one.
My dentist is gonna kill you.
Look, 1934.
No.
That you age.
34?
This brand is really famous.
19 years. 19 years inside, 34 outside. Hostia, esto que duro. Lo
What?
estoy hard, mira.
So-
Casi me rompo los dientes.
It's my favorite one.
Could you say, no?
Similar. Hard?
Can't.
You don't have to choose all the time.
It is the last one. I wanna try the spaghetti.
Spaghetti. This is spaghetti.
Check the ingredients first.
Uh, 鱼香丝 No.
Oh.
It's fish.
Fish.
Yes.
But it's salty.
Yeah. Try some. I like it.
Pepper, no?
What? It's paper. What did you say?
The first time I eat a snack, fish flavor.
Okay.
So good.
It's good for beer.
good?
With beer.
Oh really? It's spicy, no? No? If it's only... No?
Oh, look at it.
Is it spicy or no?
No, it smells horrible.
Too much what?
The fish,
It smells horrible.
No, it's
the
not.
fish.
I like it. Oh, por favor.
It was broken already. It was broken.
Open it properly.
Very good.
Yeah, I like it.
Get out.
It's a Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
We have this one in Spain.
Really?
La galleta es así como waffle con Con esto por medio.
In Spain?
The shape is different. It looks like a
Really?
ball.
You like it? What? You want to try it?
I like it or not?
I like it. I don't know.
You like it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know if I like it or it's just one fucking thing I tried.
No, it's good.
You don't like it?
No.
It's weird.
It's weird.
You're very weird.
Really?
And this one?
Okay, in this one I found it when I went back to Taiwan.
No name.
And this is,
Egg. What?
yeah, it's egg. If you know there's salty egg,
Salty.
really salty egg.
No.
Let me show you. This is the most expensive one.
Is it? Ooh.
Yeah.
Here you go first.
You gonna puke?
So weird.
I don't know. I don't know.
No.
You don't like it?
No.
It's so weird. Look at a lot of different flavor, right?
No.
I will show you the
Like a boy.
really salty.
Like very old egg.
No. They,
You know how we
I don't
call
know
that
they
in
cook
Spanish?
that.
Huevos podridos. Rotten eggs is called in English.
No, it's not like that. It's different one. That one is black one. This one is
I mean, esto, tío, esto está más
Salty.
podrido que-
Okay.
¿Qué? What?
this is another one.
What? Rotten eggs.
I think so. I don't know how they make that up, but we eat that.
What is the name?
It's egg. It's pidan.
Pitani.
Pidan.
So weird.
It's good. I like it.
Or are egg from chicken?
Yes, fun chicken.
From dinosaurs.
No. What's your favorite?
I like a lot this.
This one? It's made of rice.
What is this? What is sweet one? You don't like it?
This one? No?
No, this one.
Oh,
Really?
it's your favorite.
I haven't tried this one actually.
But this one, but that sweet is not.
Okay. What's your favorite?
I think the spaghetti and
I thought you mean this smell.
smells disgusting, but it tastes good. And this one also.
Oh
My
no.
preference is this one first, this one second, this one third, and this one can go to another room. This one here, like that.
Wow. And this one.
Oh yeah, the one was good. Actually. This one, yeah.
No. 鳕鱼香丝。
鳕鱼生吃，好吃。
鳕鱼生吃好吃。
鳕鱼香丝好吃。
鳕鱼生很好吃。
Are you making the sound?
No.
鳕鱼香丝好吃。
好吃。
鳕鱼生吃。
好吃。
生吃。
香丝。
鳕鱼生吃。鳕鱼生吃。
好吃呀。
好吃。